There are some younger people who are creating Yiddish literature. For example, my colleague Boris Sandler, the editor of the Forward, writes lovely novels and novellas, one of which I just finished translating, as a matter of fact, the other day. And we're going to publish that. And he's a pretty good poet. And Ber-Kerler, who is now a professor in Indiana, is an excellent Yiddish poet. Zachary Berger, Sholem Berger, is a pretty good Yiddish poet. Who else? There are a couple of others who write Yiddish prose that's sometimes... Oh, my good friend Tzvi Eisenman, who is one of the great short story writers in world literature, much underrated because he only wrote in Yiddish. I translated a couple books of his short stories.